Wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how we made some bee boxes for a local beekeeper friend of ours. Now, plywood is not the best material to be making boxes out of because they sit out in the weather, but if you get your corners really nice and flush and you get them under a good coat of paint, they will hold up for a while. And he had gotten a hold of this material very, very cheap from a place that had pallets. So he had gotten pallet grade super cheap and made it worth his while. Between that and me making them for him, it was a good deal. So hopefully you enjoy seeing how we put those together. The box corners make them a lot stronger, and I had fun kind of doing something in a large quantity.